morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
You're welcome to today's class.
Wow. I am saying no. I'm not gonna gist.
If you have any question to solve, really please. Yes.
There are plenty.
I'll bring them. Hello.
Okay.
I'll get the questions. No question to solve. Come and write it on the board fast. Come and write it on the board. Yeah. Just get a question there. If you solve, you can. Is that all?
Oh, see,
You're in class.
this one, my have is 22. Oh, not done.
No. So let there be space. Hello. Why I record distances for, because we have limited time. There are some lectures I did on this. I think I've solved a question like this. I solved this. I sent the link in WhatsApp.
It's not there.
This you watched the one personal lecture, not public lecture.
Yes. That is not there.
Okay. But they look as if they are there.
No.
So we don't end up repeating ourselves. I was like, let me just go.
I didn't write the ones that are there.
Huh?
I didn't write the ones that are there.
Okay, you watched it thoroughly.
Yes, from beginning to the end.
Alright, so now let's solve this one then. Anyway, we'll be able to stop, no problem. We'll continue from here with stop. Okay, it says 3x squared minus 1 is equal to 1 over 5 brackets 1 minus x. That is multiplied by 1 minus x. It's simple. What you do here is just you set this in properly as a fraction it is. Then cross multiply, have a straight line distance, then correct items, then solve quadratically. Simple. Am I complicated? See what I mean? See what I mean? We have, hope you can see the board from there. Huh?
Yes.
Alright. So see what I mean? We have 3x squared minus 1 is equal to 1 over what? Bracket what? Minus 1 minus x. Here now, solution. Here, this is 3x minus 1 is equal to what? 1 minus x over what? 5. Hope you know that is empty. Are you aware that this and this is empty? Are you aware? Are you aware?
Yes.
That's empty.
Yeah. You're not aware.
Come here. Can I see the word from there? You say you are not aware of what? That this is the same thing with this. Huh? Are you also aware that 1 over 2 in brackets x is written as x over 2? Are you aware? So this is attempting now. So you are now aware. Okay. So we do what? We cross multiply, right? Remember that this is also the same thing as over 1. Are you aware of this one?
Yes.
So you do what? Cross multiply, right? Cross what? Multiply. You have something like this. 3s squared minus 1 times what?
5.
Is equal to what? This is just not saying. Let me just do it for the weaker brethren. 1 times this. Even though this one is invisible, I put it for those that are not aware. So we will now open up the bracket, right? We have something like this. 5 times 3x squared.
That's 15x.
Using what?
15x squared.
Minus what? 5 times 1 minus 1 minus what?
5.
Is equal to 1 times everything here is the same thing, right?
Yes.
So we now collect like terms. In fact, let's move everything here to this side. So we have 15x squared minus x.
Plus 5.
If minus x comes here, it becomes what?
Plus x.
Plus x. Minus 5
plus minus 1.
minus what? 1 is equal to what?
0.
So 15x squared plus x minus what? Minus 5 minus 1 is what? Minus 6 is equal to what?
0.
Remember what I told you about solving using factorization? You multiply, you use the coefficient of this x squared to multiply the what? The constant. Remember?
Yes.
So 15 times minus 6 is what? 15 times minus 6 is what? The limit for calculator.
Yes.
Okay, now. Divide this is by 2 is 3, right? 3 times 15 is what? 45 times 2 is what? 90. So it's minus what? 90. So minus 90 now. We now look for factors of minus 90. Factors of minus 90 that when you add them together, you will get the coefficient of this x, which is plus 1. So what are factors of minus 90 that when you add them together, you get coefficient of SA is what?
1.
Plus what?
Plus 1.
Plus 1. Please always remember your sign. Plus what? 1. So what are factors of minus 90 that when you add them together, you get plus 1?
10 and 9.
10 and 9. Is it just 10 and 9?
Plus 10 plus 9. Plus 10 minus 9.
Plus 10 and what? Minus
Minus
9.
9.
So what it means is that we can use that is minus 90 is equivalent to what?
Plus 10 minus 9.
Plus 10 minus what?
9.
9 or 10 minus 9, anyone. I can even minus 9 plus 10. Either way is okay. Am I communicating? That is the meaning. So what it means is that anywhere we see plus 1, we replace it with what? Plus 10 minus 9. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Any place you see plus 1, we replace it with what? Plus 10 minus 9. Look at it here. In bracket like this. Am I communicating? That's the meaning. So if that is the case now, we now go back to this equation. 15s squared. We have plus 1 here, so we replace it with this. Are we together?
Yes.
Plus what?
10
Minus what?
9.
X. Minus 6 is equal to what?
0.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So we now use x to open up, multiply everything here. Is it clear? So we have 15s squared. S times plus 10 is what?
10x.
Huh?
10x.
Put your sign. Your sign. X times plus 10 is what?
Plus 10x.
Plus what?
10x.
10x. X times minus 9 is what?
Minus 9x.
Minus 9
X.
x minus 6 is equal to what?
0.
0. So you can now introduce our what?
Bracket.
Bracket. So put 1 here and put 1 here. Here. So we now find the common, what is common factor? 15x here plus 10x squared. The common factor here is what?
5x.
5x, right?
Yes.
Good morning. 5x, right?
Yes.
So we bring that 5x out. Then we use that 5x to divide everything inside here to know the remaining one. Am I completing?
Yes.
So 5x divide 15x squared is what?
3x.
3x. So we have what? 3x. 5x divide plus 10x is what?
Plus 2.
Plus 2. Then, what is the common factor here?
Minus 3.
So we bring it out, right?
Yes.
We use it to divide everything inside. Minus 9x divided by minus 3 is what?
3x.
3s. Is it 3s?
Yes.
Good. 3x. Minus 3 divide minus 6 is what?
Minus 2 plus 2.
Plus what? 2. So now I have, there's 3s plus 2 here, 3s plus 2 here. So we pick one. So we have 5s minus 3, 3x plus what? 2. Remember this is equal to 0. Sorry. It's equal to what? 0. That implies that 5x minus 3 is equal to 0, or 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So we now we make s, in order to make s the subject of the formula, we continue. 5s equal to what? Minus 3 comes over to this side, it becomes what? 3, right? Or 3s is equal to what? Minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to what? 3 over 5. Or s is equal to what? Minus 2 over 3. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, let's look at this question number 2. Which one?
3 minus 3 equals to 0. The one in front of the 0.
Here?
Yes.
No, 5x. I know. Okay, let's look at question number 2. It says 1 over 2s minus 5 plus 5 over what? 2s minus 1 is equal to. I've solved these questions. I've solved it. I've solved them. Anyway, it's okay.
I know because that was even what made me want to video today because I was waiting for.
All right, let's solve this one. It's okay. Now, the target of this, the first thing we do here to solve this problem, the first step is to find the LCM of this and this. Okay? We find the LCM of this and this. We have it as just we solve it like a fraction. Add the two of them, then have it as numerator and the denominator as one unit. Then we cross multiply. We have a straight equation. We collect like terms and factorize and get our answer. Is it clear? So these are the steps you take to solve this question. We first solve this like addition of fractions. Am I completed? We now have them as single units. We now cross multiply. get a straight equation, a straight line equation, a straight equation, not straight line, sorry. Then we can now collect like factorize and find out x. So now, this has x. The only way you can find the LCM is to multiply two of them, okay? But we are not expanding them, just put them in bracket together like this. 2x minus what? 5 and what?
2x minus 1.
Don't expand it because it will, for now, because you may have issues expanding them now. Now, 2x minus 5 divide this, what remain?
2x minus 1.
2x minus, okay, follow you. 2x minus 1 now times this one is what? 2x minus what? 1. Now, this divide this, what remain?
2x minus 5.
2x minus 5 times 5. So we have something like this. There's plus here, so it should be what? Plus 5. 2s minus what? 5. Everything is equal to what? 2. Is it clear now? So with this now, if you like, you can expand here, you can expand here before you multiply. If you like, you can, before you multiply, if you like, you can do it at once. Let's do it at once, okay? So this is that as 2, 1, hope you know.
Yes.
So you cross what? Multiply. So this times this everything here times 1 is 17. 3 of us. So we have 2s minus 1 plus 5 in bracket 2s minus 5 is equal to, these two will now multiply everything here. 3 of us.
Yes.
So we now have 2 bracket 2x minus 5 bracket 2x minus 1. What is between all of them? The operation between these three things now is what? Multiplication. So there's no issue. 2 multiply, two cannot multiply here and start multiplying here again. Once you multiply 1, everything is okay. So now let us now work on this thing now. We have something like this. 2x minus 1 plus 5x times, let me not put sign yet. Plus 5x times 2s is what?
10 plus 10.
Plus 10x. Please always remember your sign. Plus 10x. Plus 5 times minus 5 is what?
Minus 25.
Minus what? 25. Is equal to. Now, see what you can do here. Are you following? Are you with me?
Yeah.
Good. If we like, we can open up this bracket first, okay? Then use 2 to multiply what everything inside, which is the ideal, okay? Which is the what? The ideal. Is the ideal. Then if we open up here, if you use this one to multiply this one, then still multiply here. That one day. Am I complicated?
Yes.
Now, but because initially this is they are 1 unit, so we can just open up here to do it step by step. Open up what is inside first. From inside we will come out. Okay. So now we have 2 here already, right?
Yes.
So 2x times 2x is what?
4x.
4x. Are we together? 4x. 2x times minus 1 is what? Is what?
2x.
2x times minus 1 is what?
Minus 2. No x. 2x.
2x times minus 1 is what?
Minus 2x.
Good. I follow. Here is 4s squared, sorry. 2s times 2s is 4s squared, not 4s. So 2s times minus 1 is what? Minus 2x. Minus 5 times 2s is what?
Minus 10x.
Minus 10x. Are we following?
Yes.
Minus 5 times minus 1 is what?
Plus 5.
Plus 5. Please, if you're not following, let me know. We have solved, we have expanded, we have opened up this what is inside, okay? So let's use 2 to multiply 2. Are we together? Are we together? Even if you do 2s times 4 times 10, it will give you the same thing. Hope you know. If you do 2 times 2s, it is 4s. 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. And using this to multiply this, it will give you the same thing. But I want us to do it step by step, okay? That's why I open up, I saw what is inside first. Before multiplying 2. So let's use 2 to multiply 2 before we continue. So we have 2x minus 1 plus what? 10x minus what? 25 is equal to what? 2 times 4x is what? 8x what? Squares. 2 times minus 2s is what?
4x minus 4x.
Hey.
Minus 4x.
Has sign ever dealt with you in calculation? We throw it away. 2 times minus 2s is what?
Minus 4x.
Minus 4s. 2 times minus 10s is what?
Minus 20x.
Minus 20x. 2 times plus 5 is what?
Plus 10.
Plus 10. Good. Alright, so let us now solve here first, then we can now. So we don't create what will be too long, and at the end we will make a mistake, okay? So let us solve this one first. So let's correct here, correct it then before shifting. So here we have 2s plus x, 10s is what?
12x.
2s plus 10s is what?
12x. Plus 12x.
12, thank you. 12 what?
X. 2x.
There are no square here, hope you know.
Yes.
I have raised power too.
No.
There are no square here, please. Now, minus 1. Let me not confuse you. Let me take it step by step. Yeah, we are not rushing to anywhere. So we have 2x plus what?
10x.
Minus what? Is it clear now? Yes. Is equal to what? 8s squared. Okay, this one is another, right?
Yes.
Minus 4s minus 20x plus what? 10. So 2s plus 10s is what?
12x.
12s. Minus 1 minus 25 is what?
Minus 26.
Minus 1 minus 25 is what?
Minus 20. Minus 26.
Hey, if you don't know this, please don't quiet. Let me know so that I will teach you this one. Nah. Even though it's a primary school thing. People, don't be ashamed. Don't know, you stop. Don't keep quiet. That's why you are here. Because some people don't know this. So here is what? 8 what?
8x squared.
Minus 4s minus 20s is what?
Minus 24x. Minus 24x.
Minus 24x plus what?
10.
10. So with this now, is either okay.
And there's minus and minus.
There's no times there.
Minus.
This is minus 4x minus 20x. Minus 4 minus 20 is what?
Minus 24.
No,
Minus 4 minus 20.
it's what?
Minus
It
24.
will be 24.
No. I'll have to talk. Minus 4 minus
24.
how is it 24?
No, plus and plus is
Wait.
minus.
Minus means that you are owing. Right? You are owing 4. You are owing me 4 whatever. Tomorrow again you are owing me another 20. What are you owing me?
24.
Owing. What sign represents owing?
Minus.
So what minus 4 minus 20 is what?
Minus 24.
Is it clear now? So because two of them have x, so x, you pick one x, you are good to go. Is it clear?
Yes.
So it's minus what? 24x. Is it clear?
Yes.
Good. Now, so here now we do what now? We collect what? like term. If you like, we move everything here to here. Here becomes 0. Anyway, we do it, no problem. Even if you move it to this side, this will be minus. We use minus to clear everything. It's same thing. But there's no need running header scatter. Let's just move everything here. 0 is equal to this, is equal to this, is equal to 0. True of us?
Yes.
0 is equal to x. It's not something with x is equal to what? 0. Same thing. So no need running, beating about the bush. Let's move everything this side. So we have something like this. We have something like this. If everything here moves here, 0 will be here. True of us?
Yes.
Is equal to what? Let's go. 8x squared. Let's be putting them to their right terms here, so we don't waste time, okay? S squared minus 24s. 12s come to this side becomes what?
Minus 12x.
Minus what?
12x.
Plus what? 10. Minus 26 come to this side, it becomes what? Plus what? 26. So if 0 is equal to this, so this is equal to what? 0. So we now, so we now have what?
8x squared
8x squared
minus 24x minus 12x plus 10
plus 10
plus 26
is equal to what? 0. So we now have what? 8x squared minus 24s minus 12s. Answer. People, let her answer.
Minus 24 minus 12x. That's minus 34.
Minus 24s minus 12.
26x.
Good. Minus what? 36x. Plus 10 plus 26 is what? Plus what?
76
Is equal to what? 0. Now, to avoid creating large numbers that you're not able to manage, and you start having issues, looking for calculator to punch. Let's bring it to this and down. So what is common? What is the common factor of all this is we can use to bring it down? No, 2 is there, but 2. I mean highest.
4.
Highest what?
Is it 4?
Yes.
4, right?
Yes.
Yes. Highest common factor that you that 4. This and this is what?
4.
Is 4, right?
Yes.
Lowest common factor is what? 2. So here is 4, right? So we divide 2 by what? 4. Am I calculating?
Yes.
Am I calculating?
Yes.
How are we dividing it?
To bring it down. You can still solve it like this, so, but you start creating big numbers. So I want to
Please
bring it
give me
down.
the same answer. If you solve it like
Yes,
this,
yes.
and break it down.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So if we divide 2 by 4, here over 4, over what?
4.
Over 4, over what?
Over 4.
8 squared divided by 4 is what?
2x. Divide 0 by 4.
Yes.
Yes.
I said divide 2 by 4. That's what I said.
Okay.
So you divide each of the terms by 4. 8s squared divided by 4 is what? 2s squared. Minus 36s divided by 4 is what?
9x.
You say what?
9x.
9s. How?
Minus 9x.
Always use your sign.
Hey, I'm seeing people that have issue with sign. If you have sign, you have failed. If you like solve from now to eternity, you have failed it. Don't play with this sign, it's very important.
Yes.
Minus 9x. So plus 36 divided by 4 is what?
Plus 9.
Plus 9 is equal to 0 divided by 4 is what?
0.
4. 0 divided by 4 is what?
0.
It's 0. Alright, so remember, we have reduced it now. So we can handle it without creating big, looking for calculator. Now, what we now do here now, remember that we use the coefficient of the highest factor, which is 2 here, to multiply the constant, okay?
Yes.
So 2 times 9 is what?
18.
Sorry, 2 times plus 9 is
Okay,
what?
plus
Plus
18.
18. Now, what are the factors of plus 18? That if you add them, you will get the coefficient of x and coefficient of s is minus 9. So what are factors of plus 18? That if you add them, you get minus 9.
Minus 3, minus 6, minus 3.
Minus 6.
Minus 3.
So if you add minus 6 minus, so minus 6 minus, minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9.
Yes.
Then minus 3 times 6 is plus 18.
Yes.
I agree with you. So that means minus 9 can be replaced by what? Minus 3 minus what? 6. Is it clear now? Remember it's in bracket, okay?
Yes.
So what it means is that anywhere we see minus 9, we remove the minus 9 and put this. That's the meaning.
Okay.
The 6 come before 3.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, you in order of their magnitude.
Yeah.
What I put it is okay. Anyway, put it is okay.
So if you arrange it like this,
Yeah.
and you want to simplify
Anyway,
it,
you put it
right,
is okay.
2 cannot go in minus 3. I mean, surely no.
See, see. Don't worry. Let's see whether it's true. Then if I'm wrong, we do what? Make corrections. Let's not talk about it. Let's try, okay?
Okay, sir.
So anywhere we see minus 9, we put this, right?
Yes, sir.
We have 2s here. So let's put this. Remember, minus 3 minus 6x, right?
Yes.
Plus 9 is equal to what? 0. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
So we open up. 2x. X times minus 3 is what?
Minus 3s.
Minus
3s.
Then 6. X times minus 6 is what?
Minus 6s.
Plus what?
9.
Is equal to what?
0.
So we now put the bracket, right? 2s squared minus what? 3s minus 6x plus 9 is equal to what? 0. So what is the common factor here?
X.
X, right?
Yes.
X. So we use x to divide 2. 2s squared divided by x is what?
X.
2x.
2x. Okay, 2x.
Are you with us in this class?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm just
2x divided by s is what?
2x.
Okay, sorry, 2s. Good. Minus 3s divided by s is what?
3. Minus 3.
Minus
Oga.
Minus 3. No base.
Minus 3. Alright, what is the common factor here?
3.
3, right?
Yes.
Is it plus 3 or minus 3?
Minus 3.
Minus 3, right?
Yes.
3. What's happening to her?
I say minus 3.
You said 3.
I say minus 3.
You first shouted 3.
Okay.
Alright, so we have minus what?
3.
Minus 6x divided by minus 3 is what?
Minus 2x.
2x. Plus 2x.
Stop talking.
Okay, sir.
Minus, stop talking, please. Minus 6. Please stop talking. You're confusing us here.
Okay.
Minus 6x divided by minus 3 is what?
Minus 2x.
Plus 2s or 2s, right?
Yes.
So 2s.
Okay.
Minus 9 divided by minus 3. Sorry, plus 9 divided by minus 3 is what?
Minus 3.
Minus 3 is equal to what?
0.
So I can clean here, right?
No,
Our body is filled up.
yes, sir.
No, there's some questions.
No, don't have the
We
question.
will not solve most of the questions. Just put it down so we continue.
I don't think I'm just okay. Madam, I'm joking to you. Okay.
Nothing happened.
Because the diagnosis,
Alright, so let's continue, right? Let's continue. So let's continue. So we have in bracket we have 2x minus 3 and 2x minus what? 3. Are we together?
Yes,
So we pick one, right?
Yes.
So we then have
Bracket x
minus 3, right?
2x
2x minus 3.
Is equal to what?
0.
So s minus 3 is equal to 0. 2s minus 3 is equal to 0. So s is equal to 3
or x is equal to 3 over 2.
minus 3, right?
Yes.
S is equal to what? 3 or s is equal to what?
3 over 2.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So that one is plus.
Which one? Is it plus?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Plus 3 over what? 2.